everybody! I'm here today to tell you about a thing that will save you money on car repairs. This thing will save you money on car repairs, and to be honest, it will save you potentially tons of money on your car repairs. What is this thing? Well, I don't have one on me now, but I'll tell you what it is. You can look it up. They're really easy. They're really inexpensive. It is an OBD2 scanning tool. Now you see, every car is equipped with a computer. That computer is somewhere in the car, but there's a connection port to the computer, which is called an OBD2 port in most modern cars. It's usually going to be somewhere under the steering column, and it's going to just look like a very standard kind of port that you can use with an OBD2 scanner. You can get many OBD2 scanners for like 30, 40, 50 bucks, even 20 bucks. They're really, really cheap, and they're really, really effective. And here's what you can do. You plug it into the car and you allow it to scan the computer in your car. And it scans the computer and it tells you what's wrong with the car. If you have a check engine light on your car and you bring it to a mechanic, they're going to charge you to scan the car, then they're going to charge you to diagnose it, then they're going to charge you to fix it. You can skip those first two fees if you have this little inexpensive, super efficient and effective machine. Okay, so you can diagnose what you can scan the car yourself, and then you can diagnose what the problem is yourself because you've scanned it. So if you scan it and it tells you that it's having an issue with oxygen flow or airflow in the car, you can look at your mass airflow sensor and you can see if that looks like it might be the problem. It might pull a code for a mass airflow sensor. Then you don't even have to bring it to a mechanic because they're really inexpensive and easy to replace. That's something you can do yourself. You saved yourself potentially hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on a single car repair. Think about how many times you go to a mechanic when you have a problem with your car and it costs you like 1,500 bucks. And the mechanics have every right to charge you that because they're scanning your car, they're diagnosing it, and they're fixing it. But the problem is that if it's something that you could have done yourself, you could have saved yourself some or all of that money. Now, obviously, this is more true with an older vehicle. I have a 2017 Honda CR-V, which is still fairly new. I doubt that it would cause any sort of problem that I would have to scan it for, so I wouldn't get it for this car. But our other vehicle, my wife and I, we have a 2010 Mazda 3, and that might pull codes in the near future. That might cause problems in the near future. Okay, now I actually got rid of, I had a whole bunch of OBD scanners that I had reviewed. I'd been sent them to review and stuff, and I'd bought a couple of them to test out. I used them, they were great, but what I ended up doing was I ended up giving them to all of my friends and family members because they worked out so well. So I literally took all the ones that I got and I gave them away to my friends and family members because I said, listen, I want this little thing that I have that's worth 30 bucks, might save you 10 grand in the next 10 years. So here you go. And it was like my gift to them, just a free gift to everybody that I knew. Basically, I probably had about 25 of them. But they're super valuable, and I do plan on getting more, but I want to get an advanced one. I mean, you can spend $100, $200, $300 and you can get some seriously advanced ones. So it's up to your budget, but you can get the cheapest one and it's still going to work. It just might not have all of the advanced features of the other ones. And you can even use most of them to reset the check engine light on your car as well, which will save you tons of money because the mechanic will charge you just to reset that light. And it's just a button. It's just a button on your scanner. Okay? So literally, it can save you tons of money. That's it. You know, get an OBD2 scanner. It is totally worth it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.